get ready to ride the future. In this video, we're putting the spotlight on the Caroma Electric Scooter. That's sleek, powerful, and built to thrill. Whether you're cruising the city streets or zipping through shortcuts, this ride is redefining urban mobility. Let's dive in. Alright, and these are the specs of the scooter. The weight is 62 pounds. The maximum weight capacity is 300 pounds. The range for the battery is 15 miles. The top speed is 20 miles per hour. And the charging time is 4 hours. And it has a rubber step, front and rear disc brakes, and you can control them on the handlebar. LED lights front and rear with a switch on the handlebar. The throttle for the speed is on the right side and also it has LED light for the battery level. A very comfortable cushion seat, and also comes with the ring bell. The switch, it has a key to turn it on, but it's on the bottom of the scooter. And the plug connection is on the bottom too to charge it. Also comes with a cool basket to put all your stuff. And also a cool thing is that comes with a mud guards on the wheel to prevent water splashing. Okay guys, so today we're gonna test the scooter in the snow. Let's do it! The Caroma Electric Scooter is solid for casual rides or short commutes. It's lightweight, decently built, and pretty easy to use. The speed and range are okay for the price, but don't expect anything crazy. It's not the fanciest out there, but it gets the job done if you are looking for something simple and budget friendly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool gadgets videos. Okay guys, and it's time for the giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera. This is the Lingdu B620. Okay, and the rules are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to put a comment in this video. You have to like this video, and the winner, we're gonna announce the winner on February 1st. Okay, and this is only for the USA. Good luck guys, thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye.